Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a rainbow glitter cut crease inspired by Tailor-Made Jane. She did this look a couple weeks ago and it's not exactly a beginner look, which is why I wanted to try it out. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. As usual, I'm starting off doing my brow and putting down my eyeshadow base. So I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Fawn and a white eyeshadow base. And I'm going to be using three eyeshadow palettes today. The James Charles palette, the Zulu palette, and the Jamrock palette by Plain Makeup by Yolondo. This eye look starts off with a really dark cut crease, and then some of the colors of the rainbow are placed directly over that. So right now I'm packing the colors on, and then I'm gonna go back in with a clean eyeshadow brush and blend out the harsh crease line so that everything could be a smooth transition. I would be going back in with each color as I blend to make sure that there's a smooth gradient at the top as well. I think this has got to be the longest I've spent doing eyeshadow work on any makeup look that I've done. It took me half an hour approximately on each eye and that's outside of doing my regular foundation routine. So in total I probably spent an hour and 45 minutes doing this look, but it was all worth it. It came out really good at the end. Right now I am going in with my Duo Lash Glue as my adhesive for the glitter. So I cut the crease a second time and I've placed the colors of the rainbow in the opposite direction. So I would have gone to red to purple at the top of the crease underneath my brow bone, and now I've gone from purple to red and I'm adding glitter to match each color over top. So I'm using the red to begin my dramatic wing. Taylor did a super dramatic wing in her look. Of course, she has more eyelid space than I do. I have slightly hooded eyes, so it is a little more difficult to achieve the height of her cut crease. It's always good to tweak looks when you're redoing them to match your features. So the black area in the center of the eyelid, if you refer to her video, you would see that mine is much smaller. That's because she has more eyelid space than I do. But it's all good. After I did the crease on top, I went on to do a glitter liner. So I'm using the same colors that I did for the top glitter cut crease, and I'm using them along my lash line to create a glitter liner, and I'm joining that wing. And this is the final look. It took me a really long time, but I'm so happy with the way this turned out. And I don't know, I did not want to wash my face. I kept my makeup on for a really long time afterward, but this was definitely a challenge, definitely outside of my comfort zone, and the first of many more challenging looks coming your way. As usual, thank you so much for viewing this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share with all of your friends, and hit the notification bell so that you're alerted every time there's a new upload. Bye guys!